of the Constitution provides that in any instance where a motion makes provision for a matter listed in the definition of a money bill,
the House may proceed only in accordance with the recommendation of the relevant committee after taking into account the views of the Cabinet Secretary responsible for finance. In this regard, and noting the importance of the various amendments received on the bill, I directed the clerk to convey the amendments to the National Treasury for the purpose of obtaining the views of the Cabinet Secretary in line with Article 114 of the Constitution. Honourable members, pursuant to Standing Order 131, I also referred proposed amendments to the Departmental Committee on Finance and National Planning to consider harmonization of similar or related proposals made with respect to various clauses in the bill and to report the outcome of the exercise. This exercise is referred to as winnowing in parliamentary parlance. Honourable members, I am informed that the committee undertook the winnowing yesterday, Monday, 24th June 2024. The chairperson of the committee has since briefed me on the harmonization process. I am informed that during the winnowing process, the committee did agree to yield the moving of various amendments to members who had proposed similar amendments to the bill at the appropriate time. Based on the briefing and the recommendations received from the Cabinet Secretary responsible for finance, members will note that the disclaimer, subject to provisions of Article 114 of the Constitution, appears under specific amendments in the order paper. Pursuant to the provisions of Article 114 of the Constitution and in keeping with previous guidance on this matter, I therefore direct that the proposed amendments bearing the disclaimer, subject to provisions of Article 114 of the Constitution, will not be considered in the Committee of the Whole. Additionally, honourable members, I wish to convey that I have received notice that the following members have formally withdrawn their amendments to the bill, notwithstanding my approval or the position of the committee during the winnowing process. The Honourable Martin Spito Wino MP, the Honourable Beatrice Elache MP, the Honourable Dr. Makali Mul MP, the Honourable Gadoni Wamshomba HSC MP, the Honourable Millie Odhiambo MP, the Honourable Anton Oluoch MP, the Honourable Engineer Paul Nzengu MP, the Honourable Samuel Atande MP, the Honourable Caleb Amis MP, the Honourable Clive Gisairo MP, the Honourable Irene Mayaka MP, and as I was starting the House, I've been brought also the following: the Honourable Robert Ngui Basil MP, and the Honourable Joshua Kivinda Kimilu MP. For the guidance of the House, I note that arising from the winnowing process, a significant number of the proposals in the amendments formally withdrawn by the foregoing members are either carried in the committee's amendments or the amendments proposed by other individual members. The House is accordingly guided, and I thank you. Yes, Honourable Wandai.
Honourable Speaker, of course, I appreciate your communication, but you must also take cognizance of the huge number of amendments that have been dropped. It's good to put this in context for the benefit of the public, Honourable Speaker. As you can clearly see, those amendments that have been dropped emanated almost entirely from the members of the Azimio coalition. And this was as a result of extensive deliberations and consultations that we had within ourselves. We came to this very painful decision to have these amendments dropped because prosecuting them was going to be in vain, was going to be a futile exercise. was going to sanitize a process that we have since declared
Honorable Wandai, order.
Flawed.
Order, Honorable
Speaker.
Wandai, take your seat. Take your seat. Honorable Wandai, that is an ambush. To begin with, the amendments withdrawn are not your amendments. None of them belong to you. Two, I have order Commissioner Macau, take your seat. Two, Honorable Wandai, I have not received any communication from any member withdrawing the amendments that they have asked you to speak on their behalf. Because these are individual amendments. They are not amendments of the minority party, neither are they amendments sponsored by anybody other than the member individually. So I want to encourage you, because you are always a very decent minority leader, that don't go that route, because I will not allow you. Having directed you on the amendments and the withdrawals, out of 37, 13 have been withdrawn. I have been asked by the Honorable Kajwang
that he wishes to withdraw his amendment formally, so I'll give him an opportunity to say so. The rest of the members, order. I can read through your minds. You want to make reckless political statements in the guise of amendments. Order. Order. Any member who wants to withdraw your amendments, write a letter, send to my office, I'll approve immediately. And the clerk at the table will be notified. The only person who has asked me, and I've acceded for him, and he was gracious enough to walk to the chair and say he left his letter in the office, but he can put his withdrawal on record, is lawyer TJ Kajwang. And I give him that opportunity.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I wish to withdraw my amendments, and so I want to express myself to the Hansard that my amendments stand withdrawn. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I want to thank you for giving me this 1 minute, also on record that I had proposed an amendment to clause number 48 of the bill. I wish to withdraw that amendment in line with the feelings of the country. Thank you.
Jeanette.
Mr. Speaker, in line with your guidance, Mr. Speaker, I also had an amendment, Mr. Speaker, and I thank you for giving me this opportunity to withdraw the amendment, Mr. Speaker. But, Mr. Speaker, for the orderly business of the House, Mr. Speaker, I wanted to bring to your attention that as a minority group, Mr. Speaker, we had a parliamentary group yesterday, even though we have not communicated to you formally. On that one, you are right.
I have received no communication.
You are right, Mr. Speaker. So, Mr. Speaker, we have agreed that all the minority members will withdraw their amendments. So I want to give judicial notice to the chair of the committee who is going to run the affairs of the committee of the whole House after you, Mr. Speaker, that every member should be accorded an opportunity to withdraw his or her amendment at the rise of the matter, by the time the chair raises the matter on the floor of the House. So, Mr. Speaker, that is the position. We are withdrawing all our amendments. We want to reject the bill in totality, Mr. Speaker. Thank you.
Thank you. Your notice is not judicial, it's formal. What you will do, members, is those of you who want to withdraw your amendments, you can even do a handwritten withdrawal. Send over, I'm recessing back to the chamber. I will immediately approve and send it to the presiding member of the panel. On the same matter, And those who do not want to write, remain in the chamber. When your amendment is reached, you simply stand up and say, Honorable Chair, I beg to withdraw my amendment. And the matter ends there. It is as simple as that. We don't need to debate on this. Honorable Senior Counsel.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I stand under Standing Order 83. But first is to appreciate your guidance as soon as a commissioner is done with you.
Sorry, start again.
I appreciate your guidance on that matter, and indeed, it is the right of every member to withdraw any amendment. Mr. Speaker, I do not have any amendment because I took the position that you cannot amend a bad bill. But separately, Mr. Speaker, I want to raise to your attention the matter of dress code. Mr. Speaker, 2 weeks ago, I raised the issue of Honorable Didmat Baraza wearing an unparliamentary hat. And you deferred your ruling on advisement. And since you deferred, now the Honorable Moroto is also going that direction.
But Mr. Speaker, you know, it's not just unparliamentary, but I want you to take judicial notice or parliamentary notice that we on this side are dressed in black. And I'm happy you're also dressed in black, Mr. Speaker. I think you are helping us mourn with the rest of Kenyans that we are in a very dark situation.
Mr. Speaker, may you, on the matter of parliamentary dress code, address the issue of Honorable Baraza and Honorable Moroto
and find them grossly out of order and throw them out for the rest of this session. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
That is about the fourth time, Honorable Otiende, you've raised that. Let's go on with the business. I'll give a formal direction maybe tomorrow. Yes. Atandi.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I've been raising my hand to raise a matter which is similar to what Honorable Otiende has raised on dress code. Honorable Speaker, there is a lady nominated MP who is not dressed properly. And Honorable Speaker, to make the matters worse, she's also yellow in color. So she's yellow in color. So most of us are not concentrating because of the way she's dressed. Honorable Speaker.
Members, I'm not aware of any member called something like that. Honorable members, will you be upstanding so that we go to committee of the whole? Has the order been called? Okay, hold on. Call the order.
Order number 10, Committee of the Whole House.
Order members, will you be upstanding? Honorable member for Kamkunji. Honorable Kwame, will you be upstanding or are you standing? Sorry, Honorable Kwame, I thought you were sitting.
Honorable members, order, honorable members, we are now in the Committee of the Whole House for the Finance Bill, National Assembly Bill number 30 of 2024.
You may call me first. Chairperson.
The Finance Bill the Finance Bill, National Assembly Bill number 30 of 2024. Section 1, Income Tax Act, Cap 470, Clause 2.
Clause 2. Honorable members, I now propose the question that clause 2 be part of the bill. Chair, Finance Committee, you have an amendment.
Honorable Speaker, I beg to move that clause 2 be part of the bill. And, Honorable Speaker, this clause 2 is the one that defines what content creation is and exempts all content creation that does not lead to digital monetization. In simple language, Honorable Speaker, this is making better provisions for our content creators by making sure that the content that they generate on online platforms that does not generate any income is exempt from taxes. Honorable Speaker, secondly, is a definition of royalties. Honorable Speaker, we've seen an attempt to have court cases that have been decided in court, and for example, an example is the 7 Seas Technologies Limited by the Commissioner General, where the Kenya Revenue Authority loses a particular court case, then an attempt is made to make that amendment through the law. Honorable Speaker, we have rejected this proposal, and this is in line with OECD best practices. With that, I beg to move, Honorable Chair.
Thank you. I now propose the question that clause 2 be amended as proposed. Honorable members, do we put the question? Yes, yes. Honorable members, I now put the question that clause 2 be amended as proposed. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. Yes. Okay. Then now we do. Honorable members, I now put the question that clause 2 as amended be part of the bill. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
Clause 3.
Honorable members, I now propose the question that clause 3 be part of the bill. Move of the bill.
Honorable Speaker, I beg to move that clause 3 be part of the bill. Honorable Chair, the proposed amendment seeks to amend the definition of digital marketplace in the item food delivery services to include other items, since delivery services are not restricted to food only. The proposed amendment, Honorable Chair, also further seeks to expand the definition of digital marketplace to broaden the definition of the term professional services to include consulting services. With that, I beg to move, Honorable Chair.
Honorable members, I now propose the question that clause 3 be amended as proposed by the chairperson of the Finance Committee. Honorable members, I now put the question that clause 3 be amended as proposed. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. And now, honorable members, I now put the question that clause 3 as amended be part of the bill. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
Clause 4.
Honorable members, I now propose the question that clause 4 be part of the bill. Okay, Chair, Finance, yes, you may.
Honorable Chair, I
the
beg to move
amendment.
that clause 4 be amended as per the order paper. Honorable Chair, this was reducing the time the time period for when foreign exchange losses can be claimed for tax purposes, reducing the period from 5 years to 3 years. The committee listened to the stakeholders and recommends an increase from 3 years to 5 years, giving it a longer time for businesses to claim losses on their foreign exchange transactions. With that, I beg to move that clause 4 be amended as proposed in the order paper.
Honorable members, I now propose the question that clause 4 be amended as proposed by the Chairperson Finance Committee. Honorable members, I now put the question that clause 4 be amended as proposed by the Chairperson of the Finance Committee. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. And now, I put the question that clause 4, as amended, be part of the bill. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay?
Clause 5.
Clause 5 has is without amendments. I propose the question that clause 5 be part of the bill. I now put the question that clause 5 be part of the bill. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
Clause 6.
I propose the question that clause 6 be part of the bill. Mover.
Honorable Speaker, I beg to move that clause 6 be part of the bill. Honorable Speaker, we are proposing that we delete paragraph A as the provisions currently in the law are sufficient. On clause 6A, we propose this amendment is to increase the allowance that is given to employers when they give food to their employees. So we are increasing that threshold from 40,000 shillings to 6,000 shillings so that we encourage employers to claim more when they provide food for their employees, not only when this food is prepared at the premises of the employer, but even when they outsource that food from other taxable entities. With that, I beg to move, Honorable Chair.
Honorable members, I propose the question that clause 6 be amended as proposed. I now put the question that clause 6 be amended as proposed by the Finance Chairperson. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. I now put the question that clause 6 as amended be part of the bill. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
Clause 7.
Honorable members, clause 7 has no amendments. Therefore, I propose the question that clause 7 be part of the bill. I now put the question that clause 7 be part of the bill. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. I already said that.
Clause 8.
Honorable members, I propose the question that clause 8 be part of the bill. Mover?
Honorable Chair, I beg to move that clause 8 be part of the bill and be amended, Honorable Speaker. This is a digital platform tax. The proposed increase from 3% to 20% is too steep, and therefore we propose that it be reduced to 10% so that the increase is only to 3%. With that, I beg to move, Honorable Chair.
Honorable members, I now propose the question that clause 8 be amended as proposed by the chairperson of the Finance Committee. Honorable members, I now put the question that clause 8 be amended as proposed by the chairperson of the Finance Committee. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. And now, honorable members, I now put the question that clause 8 as amended be part of the bill. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay?
Clause 9.
The ayes have.
Clause 9.
Okay. Honorable members, I now propose the question that clause 9 be part of the bill. Mover?
Honorable Chair, I beg to move that clause 9 be part of the bill, but Honorable Chair, it's important to report that clause 9 includes clause 12, has clause 12G and clause. Let me approach the chair.
Honorable members, I propose the question. Okay, mover, you may proceed with the other clauses.
Honorable Chair, I beg to move that clause 9 be amended as per the order paper. So, Honorable Chair, clause 12G is just a cleanup to provide for covered persons, but most importantly, clause 12H is the one that was providing for 2.5% motor vehicle tax. So the Committee of Finance and National Planning proposed the deletion of this particular clause. We said it lies in the wrong act. You cannot amend the Income Tax Act to introduce a motor vehicle tax. And secondly, it's going to be non-progressive because the 2.5% and with a threshold of 100,000 would mean that those people who have a motor vehicle of more than 4 million shillings would pay less in terms of percentage points, less than that 2.5%. And most importantly, also, Honorable Chair, that this would have very diverse effects on our insurance sector, because most Kenyans, in fact, take third-party insurance, and therefore imposing an additional tax on that motor vehicle would be retrogressive and even, and in fact, even most importantly, crippling the insurance sector. And therefore, in addition, Honorable Speaker, for commercial vehicles already pay an advance tax before they import that car, and therefore that would amount to double taxation. And therefore, Honorable Speaker, Honorable Chair, it's also important to mention that out of the 101 clauses that we received for amendment, this was the most popular one, and we agreed with the stakeholders that this needs to be deleted, and therefore we propose that this clause be deleted, and that there will not be introduction of motor tax in the Republic of Kenya. I beg to move, Honorable Chair.
Majority Leader, you wanted to say something on this? But allow me to propose the question first. Honorable members, I propose the question that clause 9 be amended as proposed by the Finance Committee. Majority Leader, I could see you on a point.
Thank you,
of
Honorable
order.
Speaker. I rise to support that particular amendment. And Honorable Speaker, to inform the country that this is a motor vehicle tax that is now being proposed upon voting to remove. And therefore, I want to ask members to support what the people of Kenya say, that we remove the tax on motor vehicle. I support.
Thank you. Honorable members, I now put the question that clause number 9 be amended as proposed. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. And now, honorable members, I put the question that clause number 9, as amended, be part of the bill. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay?
In totality. Put the question.
Clause 10.
Honorable members, I propose the question that clause